InboxDollarscom review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're looking for ways to earn online in your spare time and you found brand InboxDollars0, you want to understand exactly how much value it offers and what the trade-offs are. Most people believe earn money online means big returns, but here's the realistic picture. InboxDollars is a rewards platform where users complete surveys, play games, upload receipts or shop online to earn cash rewards. The platform clearly states it has paid over $1 million to its members since 2000. Citron Circ. What you get: a free platform you can join, access to multiple ways to earn surveys, offers, game tasks and a reputable history. Reviews show it's a legitimate method to make small extra cash. Citron Circ. What you give up or should know: the earnings are modest. Surveys often pay us 25 to us, and you may need hours of activity to reach the cash out minimum, which is this. Citron Circ. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Set realistic expectations. This is for extra income, not full-time pay. Step 2. Estimate your time investment. If you earn for 15 minutes, that's about or fine for spare time, less for full income. Step 3. Check what earnings you value: gift cards, PayPal or cash. Step 4. Consider opportunity cost. If you do many tasks but value your time higher, you may want an alternative. You won't believe what happens next if you expect full-time income. You may spend many hours for minimal payout and feel your time could be better spent elsewhere. The surprising truth: a platform can be legit and safe but still low value if your goal is big earnings. In conclusion, InboxDollars offers reasonable value if you use it occasionally to earn small rewards. If you expect large income, you'll likely be disappointed. Use it as a side hustle with reasonable expectations. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more gig platform pricing explained and what you're really getting for your time.